Alright guys, we are here in Akihabara, which is the digital city of Japan. It's basically a whole city of digital shops. You've got anime, manga, tech, gadgets, games, the whole works. I heard you need at least a month to check out every shop. We are here just to have a little browse around and check out some of the vibes. I do want to check out some of the retro gaming shops that are here and play some Street Fighter. And I've just bumped into the Square Enix Cafe, which the makers of games like Final Fantasy that I used to play back in the day. Anyway, we're going to go and check that out and have a look around Akihabara and look at some gadgets and tech. Okay. Some of the old Final Fantasy memorabilia, Dragon Quest, if you're into that kind of stuff. Pretty much a cafe. So this is Akihabara Crossing. This is pretty much the main area of Akihabara. Now, Akihabara comes from the word Akiba, and Akiba used to be a fire controlling deity in this area back in the day. Could have been a dragon, I have no idea, but Akiba is basically the short name for Akihabara. Alright, let's go up to the third floor. I think that's the sweet potato floor. They've also got a retro game center. Let's check it out. Alright. Whoa, check these out guys. Old school cartridges. If you're into old school games, you know what this is about. Look at that. It doesn't work with video cable. Oh my goodness, the old school games from the past. Nintendo. The old Sega Mega Drive 2. Used to have one of these back in the day. How much are they? 7,000 yen. Which is about, I think, $100. I wonder if they got the old school PlayStations. Dreamcast. Remember Dreamcast, guys? Sega Saturn. SNK, Neo Geos. Look at all these games. I remember this on the arcade game actually. Afterburner. I used to play that at Space World. This looks like Altered Beast. I remember playing Altered Beast back in the day. So many. Even got cushions. This place has got it. All the old school. Wow. Look at that. That's about $10. Dragon Ball Z2. Lots of cartridges. Lots of games. Can't see any PlayStation ones, eh? I think these are pretty much just CD and cartridges. Alright. Ah, here's the PlayStations. Old school PlayStation, guys. 7,000. Which is about, I'd say, 120 bucks New Zealand. Got the PlayStation 2s. Those are 10,000 yen, about 150 New Zealand. The old school Xboxes. Got the old school Hori sticks. This is like a gaming heaven, Crash Bandicoot. So with the old PlayStation games here, and a lot of them are Japanese games that actually didn't even reach New Zealand or any other developed countries. These are games that you can only get here. Now back in the day, my PlayStation was chipped, so it had a chip in it which could allow me to play a lot of these Japanese games, and it cost me I think about $100 New Zealand to chip it. And I had a friend that imported a lot of the Japanese games so I could play it on my PAL version PlayStation back in the day. Some of them I haven't even seen before. There was one game I used to play back in the day called Xenogears, and it was made by Squaresoft, which is now called Square Enix, and it was one of the best role-playing games I've ever played. Look at these small little games here, guys. Tetris. I've seen a Street Fighter one as well. These are about 4,000 yen, about 50 New Zealand dollars. Shirts. Street Fighter 2. Old school. Even Street Fighter 2 bottles. T-shirts. Ah, it's a t-shirt in a bottle. Ah, I remember playing these back in the day. Remember these guys? Game & Watch from back in the day. Here these are 21. Wow, they're expensive. So they're 21,000 yen, which is roughly about 300 New Zealand dollars. I remember playing that one, Parachute. Actually, I remember playing all of these one. Octopus. Damn, they bring back memories. But this was the major ones I used to play back in the day. The Game & Watch Nintendo's Donkey Kong ones. Got the maids. Now those maids basically are from cafes, so they take you back to cafes to drink coffee. I hope that's all. Anyway guys, I am looking for a taiyaki shop that sell fish-shaped cakes with fillings like custard or fillings from red beans. So I want to try some. Alright guys, looks like a taiyaki shop right here. What did I tell you? Fish-shaped cake. Let's see what they got. Here we go. These are the taiyakis. Custard cream. Alright. I think we'll try the custard cream. Okay. B. Okay. So he's already kind of pre-cooked it and he's just heating it up. This is the paste. Red bean paste. It looks like the custard paste. Okay, thank you. Alright, let's sit over here and try the taiyaki. And watch everyone walk by. Anyway, I'm gonna have a bite into this taiyaki. Look at that. Very good. Delicious. Costed half a fish now. All right, guys, now we are trying the red bean taiyaki. Not as smooth tasting as the custard, but that's red bean for you. Still nice, not too bad. Taiyaki, Japanese pancake. Alright guys, we have made it to Taito Station. Looks like it's a building that's got different levels of technology. I remember Taito being a company that made arcade games back in the 80s and 90s. We're gonna go and check it out and see what's up in this building. Looks like they've got many of these machines here. With the arm you can win boxes and prizes and stuff like that. Try your luck. Old school arcade games. This beggar guy's a bit of a tricky guy. There you go, too easy. All right, number one. So this is the Confucian Temple Yushima Seido, which is a temple for learning, and it looks like I'm the only one here. Don't you just love coming to these places and you're the only one here? Look at that. No one else but me in the big city of Akihabara. There you go. These are those message board things that I've seen around in some of the other temples as well. All plastered along there. Okie dokie, guys. That's a wrap for the temple. Let's have a little bit more of a look around Akihabara. Rain, hail, snow, we travel anywhere.